you guys can see. What happened was our chickens got in and they crapped everywhere. So we're trying to clean some of that up. But I know you guys were getting really desperate for a video, so we're gonna try and get the 2-valve drag car to run today. Everyone's gonna go complete ape shit over it because we're on like episode 40 something, 46, 48, I don't even remember anymore. Also, you guys can see, I don't even care if you know, look at those bad mother freaking plates. That 406 is our area code, and just a 2-valve, baby. Just a 2-valve. Gonna hurt some feelings, so gonna get it cleaned up a little bit and fix some fuel leaks. Alright guys, so mod we just did, our gas cap was broken, so went ahead and drilled a hole right in there, put a new gas cap on. Pretty cheap and easy. Now, we were getting a fuel leak from our plug, the one that we weren't using for the hole, because you can run dual fuel pumps out of this fuel cell that we have. So went ahead, bought some new fuel fittings from Vibrant, another brand that we carry and love. Almost all the fuel fittings that I'm using right now are from Vibrant. They're really good quality and I like them a lot. So I'm probably going to need Austin's help because my hands are not big enough. They're too big to actually get down inside that hole. I cannot get my knuckles through. So we can hold from one side and screw the other side on. And you can see there, it has these nylon washers. That's actually what holds it and keeps it sealed. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, yeah, just get your hand in there nice and deep like, and I'm going to find the hole at this end.
Okay.
You got it in? No, it's got to go deeper. Can you feel the tip of mine? My tip is inside the tank.
I'm gonna have to be like elbow deep here.
Get elbow deep in that thing.
There's also a foam block at the bottom of this.
Helps it from sloshing.
Okay, yeah, it helps from sloshing, but it's kind of blocking. It's totally blocking you right now.
I'm wiggling my tip inside the hole. Can you feel it?
My forearm's too big.
Well, quit flexing.
I'm trying to relax. Calm down. Oh, found it.
Can you feel my tip? Hold it there, and I'm going to spin it.
Here. Oh, give me just a second.
Put it on the tip.
I'm trying.
And then hold the tip still, and I'll spin it. I'll drive it
Okay,
on.
do it.
You got it?
Nope, can't hold it.
You're not putting it on straight.
Alright, try again.
Straight on the tip.
Alright, that's it. I
Can't hold it?
can't grab it. What size is that? Let's just get a wrench in there. Oh!
Let's get a wrench.
No, I was trying to make it spark. Oh, it ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, mine.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, slow burn. It ain't gonna do nothing.
Shut off that light. Shut off the light.